Put on your face cam. Just plant at the front. It's a Dutch bro. It's a Dutch bro. We can people start joining.
Gunner, join the stream.
We don't want them to join.
Join the stream.
That's crazy. Live streaming.
Look at this cradle.
Nice. I'm gonna text my friend.
No, it's like why? Big ass. I was like, are we doing the back page of that packet that we got yesterday? Do we only need this big of this? Or do we need the other lab one that we got yesterday?
The other lab, you should start working on that at some point today. It's due at the end of class tomorrow. But as long as you need paper meter stick, you're ready to go on that. I think there's 4 of you who need to show me your paper meter stick and get to work on that lab.
Like this? Are we doing this at home? Yeah.
You can do it here. You can do it at home if you don't get it done today in class. All right. Yeah.
I don't, about that like packet that you showed you, I know it's asking for.
You're supposed to find something that's 2 centimeters long.
And then it's an actual measurement, so it's actually.
1.8 centimeters long. And you put 1.8. Well, you want to get something very close. So, yeah, we'll talk about that right now. So on your way in today, ladies and gentlemen, you should have grabbed the density packet. Okay? In the density packet on page 3, there are 6 density questions, and on page 4, there is 1 more density question. Okay? There are 7 questions, 6 on 1 page, page 3, and a 7th question on page 4. Okay? Those need to get answered by beginning of class on Thursday.
Isn't density mass divided by volume?
It's right
I
there.
didn't even look at the front. I just
Good.
remembered.
Okay, we took notes on it too.
Yeah, that's why I remembered.
Sticky, good, yeah.
Wait, so pages 5 and just page 5, I guess, isn't, we don't have to do it.
Page 5, we're going to do as a lab
Okay.
on Thursday, Friday. Okay,
So just 3 and 4.
so just 3 and 4, you aren't gonna be able to do page 5 without some material to measure, okay? So, anyway, that is due when?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Tomorrow, you have 4 things that are due. One of them should really be done today because you want to make sure that tonight you finish. But there will be some time in class tomorrow. You should get close to being finished, I guess is a better way to put it. But first off, you have the metric conversions worksheet. Most of you looked at that and you went, oh, it's a piece of cake, it should be done. Okay. Then you had the what was it? Scientific notation was one of them. And the third one was the reading liquid levels packet. Again, the reading liquid levels packet is probably the most tricky, but if you read the packet, it becomes much easier to do the packet. Okay, the questions in the packet. So those three are due tomorrow. Your meter stick should be pretty much done. Okay, I think there's 4 of you. I will talk to those 4 of you. If it's not done, make sure you get it done. And then the rest of the period, you should be making sure those 3 homeworks that are due tomorrow are done. You should make sure that you are working on the meter stick lab, which is due at the end of class tomorrow. So make sure if you did not make your car measurement, that you make your car measurement tonight. I think that's really about the only thing you have to worry about. It says measure your kitchen counter at home. Do you have to measure your kitchen counter at home?
No.
You're more than welcome to measure a counter here in the classroom.
Mine was on meters.
Totally fine. Okay? Diagonal of a TV. I don't have a TV at home. Okay, some people don't. Okay, there's a TV for it.
Ours is short.
You don't have to use my TV. Want to do yours at home? Do yours at home. The idea though is make sure you are using your tool to its best precision. That means every meter measurement should have 3 decimals on it. Okay. Every decimeter measurement,
3 decimals.
decimeters, centimeters, millimeters, should have 3 decimals behind any meter measurement. Always. 100% of the time.
What is square on?
Then it's 0.000.
Oh.
I'm confused. I got
Okay.
4.95.
All right. And any decimeter measurement should have 2 decimal measurements. Any centimeter measurement should have 1 decimal measurement. And any millimeter measurement will have no decimals. All right. Question came up, Mr. Mark, what am I supposed to do on the scavenger hunt? Okay. Scavenger hunt gives you something you're supposed to find that is 40 centimeters. If you're supposed to find something that's 40 centimeters, it doesn't have to be exactly 40 centimeters, but it should be pretty darn close. 39.5 to 40.5 perhaps. Okay. Then you write down what is the object, okay, and what is the actual measurement. Remember to put down the correct number of decimal places in any measurement. Okay? If you are right on the money, then it's 0 for how far you were off. If it's 0.1, you got 40.1 or 40.5, put 0.1 or 0.5 centimeters off. All right? You fill it all out, and then your total difference. Your total difference, what you want to make sure is that you convert everything to centimeters or everything to millimeters. I don't care which one, but in order to add them together, you can't add a centimeter and a millimeter. It doesn't work. They all have to be the same unit so that you get your actual total difference at the bottom. Okay? Is that clear? Is everything pretty clear inside the packet? Stuff you were supposed to be looking at. Okay. If you have questions in class, today is the day to ask. Whether it's one of the worksheets, one of the packets, as far as the lab goes. Again, the density lab, we're going to do the lab part, which is the last page. We're going to do that on Thursday and Friday. So that will not get done. outside of class. End of the day tomorrow, meter stick lab needs to come in. So that car measurement, anything that you can't do here in class needs to get done outside of class. If you need
What is it?
a videotape, becoming harder and harder to find, here's a videotape. If you need the audio magnetic tape, that's the little round tape that we find inside of the audio cassette. Okay? So that is that.
So it's just
Good. All right, answer your own question in your brain.
no, it's good.
So, again, what's due tomorrow?
Everything.
Everything.
Except for this.
3 worksheets
Except for this.
and the meter stick lab. Okay, along with, you should have your paper meter stick measured out by me. Again, I think there were only 4 of you who didn't get it done. Make sure it's done. Ethan, Charlie, Chris, and Kyle. You guys were the only 4 who didn't get that. Alright, bring them on up. You got them done, and I'll get you signed off. Go ahead and work on that lab. You're good to go.
Yeah, you let me know.
Snippy snip. Snip.
118.
I guess we could do that.
Snippy snip.
So you're just sitting there watching your feet?
Wait, what
You're
do
just
you
looking at your feet.
Snip there.
Footstream.
Oh, I'm done with
Wide footstream. The length of
What is?
28.
the height of the book.
Okay, if part of the scavenger hunt, you want to go back in the lab room, find something back there, go for it. Doesn't have to be in here, it could be at home, as long as you tell me what the object is you measure. Deal?
Maybe I should get that. Actually, you have one.
37. Ooh, 28. How long would you say?
How many centimeters do you think that would be?
Show me what
240 millimeters.
Here's my phone.
Okay, that's fine, just make sure that you take that 0.2 meters
What is 240?
is 20 cents.
24 centimeters.
240 millimeters.
24 centimeters.
Yeah, everything there looks good as long as you have those decimals in there.
So 24 centimeters would be like that?
Yep.
Can't use my phone.
Oh, I don't need
It might be like, here.
Usually people do that when they'll look at it, I don't worry about it.
It's like 30. Okay, video recording.
Second.
It's not me. This dude's gotta be too weak.
Forgot to take everything else.
20. The width of the paper.
I've been watching so much.
What is the actual? What the hell?
That's how the answer should look.
Oh.
It's like 2:30, right?
I think it's cute. Cute. Yeah. That is that.
What are the meters?
I don't know, a meter.
A meter stick.
Oh my god.
Mr. Wyrick, can I use your meter stick as the object for the scavenger hunt?
It's brilliant, but no.
It's a meter stick. It's not a meter.
My drip is in
My
there.
leg might be a meter.
Look, it's a frame / centimeter square.
Demonstration stick.
My leg's a meter.
There used to be a big gigantic meter stick. It wasn't even a meter. It was just really big, so you could see all the different parts. So just use your meter stick.
That's what I did. I was trying to make sure I didn't.
Yep, you're good.
I'll probably demonstrate.
Donuts. Where?
Pick the orange pattern of the
They're cute. Let's do it.
It's a meter. What is exactly?
diagonal, just go one corner to the other corner, yeah.
What is 31 centimeters?
I would go
31
How about you do that, and I'll do this, and then we'll just do like 31 centimeters. What's about 30 centimeters?